Today on Eat, Drink, Travel, we're going to walk around this area by BTS Khlong, just across from the W District. It's a very busy part of town. It's very close to where I live, and I've always wanted to check out this area on foot. So let's have a good time and see what wonders pop up on this street. I always get nervous whenever I see a dog missing legs walking around the stand that sells meat. If you guys ever been to Mexico, you know what I'm talking about. I'm probably not gonna eat there. There's always construction going on here in Thailand. This is probably gonna be another high-rise. About every place that you go to here in Thailand has one of these behind me. I think it's like a little prayer shrine. You always see people leaving food and drinks there. I don't know what happens to them at night, but they're always gone in the morning. I think these buses have been around for about 50 years and they're still running. If I'm correct, that was smoked salmon on the sidewalk. Sure, I think this may be a good spot to walk around and get something to eat. It's called the Swan Blurred Markets. This is actually the Korean barbecue that was $1.99. I figure while I'm here, I'm just gonna snack on a little spaghetti carbonara. This is a dish that is extremely popular here in Thailand. It seems like every place sells it, or a version of it. Well, I had that spaghetti carbonara. That was probably as tasty as a fresh taco in Alaska. Yeah. I'll just leave it at that. You periodically have people driving on the sidewalks in the wrong direction. This is how scary it is here. I want to cross the street. So there is no clear indication of when you can walk or when to walk while crossing the street. That's why it can be a little dangerous here. It's going that way. Yeah. Oh, I'm glad I didn't get hit there. So these guys are pretty much kept around to eat all the rats. Oh, how's it going? For some weird reason, ever since I was like a little kid, anytime I would see a cat, I would just make that cat meow sound. And to this day, I still do it. And I have a hard time stopping myself. It's just, I just do it, man. That's kind of weird, isn't it? So one of the reasons why I wanted to make my way down this road, specifically at nighttime, because I left at about 4:30, is I passed by this night market that they have here and have a fascination with night markets. We never had them in California or Los Angeles, where I lived, nor in Scottsdale, where I lived at before I moved here to Bangkok. And the only thing I can think of that comes close would be a farmer's market, which of course takes place in the morning. They don't happen at night, but it would be kind of like that equivalent. Another one. chicken is about to get beheaded. I think it's gonna happen. Hi. California. Yeah, Los Angeles.
United States?
Yes. That's the United States. Oh, look at that. So the name of this outdoor market is the Khlong market, and this thing is about the size of a football field, it seems. It's really big. I've been walking around for about 10 minutes now, and so far lots of fresh produce, fresh meats, very fresh meats, if you follow what I'm trying to say here. This is like farm to table in just a matter of minutes. And the aromas coming from the food that's cooking here is really, really nice. I like it. And maybe it's because after eating that nasty spaghetti carbonara that I'm still hungry. Yeah, it wasn't that good there. There's a lot of butchers here, I guess you can call them butchers. There's a lot of good cuts of meat. Oh, these are catfish. Catfish. You have to be careful as you walk around here. The ground is wet, like wet, and it's very easy to lose your footing and traction. So I'm walking really slow because I don't want to get hurt here in Thailand. That's really fresh. Look at that. So I have not gone down any of the same aisles, but you can see the sheer amount of food that they sell here. This is not a clothing market, it's not an electronics market, it is 100% a food market. And I guess this is where the locals shop for themselves or for businesses, because the prices here are much lower than what you find at the grocery stores. I wonder if this is where they get their stuff. You got scared? I got scared. You must have a hard life here. Everyone's in everyone's way here. It's mayhem. Okay? Take his head off. Well, I just found out some interesting things here. This is open to the public. A lot of the, regular everyday folk, everyday Thai people shop here. And a lot of smaller supermarkets and food markets shop here as well. And this place is open 24 hours a day. And I spoke to someone off camera who told me I should check out another market, which he called a real wet market, where they prepare the animals right in front of you, cut off the heads and everything. Alive. I don't know if I'll record that. Maybe I will. I'll think about it. But this place is just fascinating, man. I like it here. These guys are fucking everywhere. Look at that. See that? These guys are everywhere. Wow. I saw about 6 or 7 of these guys just running around here. See? That's street food living here in Thailand that you have to be careful about. So there's like a rat right there. And the cat's just like chilling, just relaxing. Probably just ate. So I think that's about everything I wanted to see tonight. I kind of have plans to hang out with some friends. And yeah, I think I'm going to end the video here. And I hope you guys liked it. I do 3 or 4 videos a week, just me walking around the city, around the country, trying to show everyone how wonderful this country of Thailand is. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. I love the comments. And I'll find some more interesting stuff for us to record and then view. Or at least I record and you view. So, Bruce with Eat, Drink, Travel signing off, and I'll talk to you guys later.